So winter's taking a bit of a break. Not much of a break, but I'll take any break it gives. Temperatures above freezing today, so everything's kind of melting. And there's a bit of rain coming. So I'm kind of hoping to get the Walmart in back before it shows up. And that's why, this camera's on the right. It's on in its waterproof case, just in case. You wonder why I go to Walmart so much? It seems every video that's where I'm heading. There's actually 3 reasons for that. One of the reasons is it's the farthest place I can go to shop. So it gets me out of the house the longest. Another reason is, being as I used to work there before I got sick, I'm kind of drawn to it. People there that I know, and just go somewhere, just go to Walmart. This is kind of what I do. And the third reason, probably the main reason, is they seem to have the cheapest price on everything. And I don't even mean like cheaper quality items or stuff like that. It's stuff that I buy all the time anyways, everywhere else, like sugar and half and half cream for my coffee. It's the same brand as the other stores, but they just seem to have it the cheapest price on it. And that's probably due to their buying power. They buy huge quantities and get some pretty good discounts, so they're able to sell it cheaper. So that's kind of why I do that. And today's being a nice day, I'm just gonna take advantage of it and enjoy it before the winter comes back, which seems like it's going to be in the next day or two. It's not looking, forecast isn't looking all that great, so enjoy it while I can. So, as you saw, we did get some rain. Yeah, it turns out we got a fair amount of rain. Melted a lot of the snow. But the problem is it didn't stick around very long, the warm weather that is. It cooled off again really quick. Got really cold, then started warming up again. You can see for Tuesday here we got a snow squall watch, and we got rain and snow, which means we'll probably get some really wet snow again. So we head to Tuesday, and sure enough, we still got our snow squall watch. And well, yeah, we got snow. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. You can see I haven't even left the shelter yet, and there's snow on the camera. Kind of give you an idea of what you're about to see outside. It's not pretty. So here's what we got. The temperature wasn't as warm as they predicted it would be. So it's cold out, it's windy, the snow is blowing around, it's drifting. Cody's still in school, and when he's not in school, he's working. So the times that we get to go do the snow clearing is kind of limited. So we're usually stuck for late afternoon, early evening, and that's one of the reasons why you put the light bar on the top. Today he got a heater for the Bolins for Christmas, and today he decided was the day to put it in, so they get delayed again. Well, normally when he needs gas, he usually sends me out to get it. But with the roads being like this, I'm not totally trusting the battery monitor on the Monster right now, to be telling the truth. So I don't want to run out of power while we're out. I want to save my charge for going out doing the blowing and that. So his mother took me up to the gas station to get the gas for him. And while we were out, he did his own driveway, so at least he got something done anyways. We weren't totally wasted time. So, problem is, Mother Nature's not finished yet. She's got more for us in store tonight. So that's where we're at the moment. So, gas tank's topped off, engine oil's good, hydraulic oil's good, off we go. So after a couple driveways, we head downtown to do our parking lot. And we pull in, and if you listen close, you'll hear Cody shut the engine down. And he's doing some paperwork, and he's going to be a little bit, so rather than wasting gas, he decides to turn the engine off. The problem is, he left his beacons on, and he left his new electric heater on, and it kills the battery. Thankfully, Cody has a booster pack. One of his lawn tractors a few years ago had a bad battery in it, and it was fine while he was driving and everything, but let it sit for a few hours and the battery would just die and wouldn't start again. So he bought the booster pack to keep starting it. So thankfully he's got it. So I went back to his place to get it, and we hook it up, and unfortunately it wasn't fully charged, so it really didn't help any. So now we're making a call for help. We're going to be here a little while, so shut the monster down. You can kill my batteries too. We're back at home now. Work's all finished. And if you watched my shelter setup videos, I mentioned that you get a bunch of us together, everything becomes playtime. Well, what better place to play than in the middle of the street? I had to laugh at this part. And Cody's been all over the road. He's got all my lights flashing on the scooter right now. And right about this time, a police car pulls up. He's waiting to see me. Thought it was driving by and it actually stopped, so. Sitting there waiting. And he starts turning off all the flashing lights. So it turns out the police officer knows who I am. He just stopped to talk to me. He was bored. Poor Cody's freaking out thinking he's about to get in trouble. I had to laugh at that. Police car's gone. Time to go back to playing. Thanks for watching.